Yo, what's up everybody? It's Tech and Fun TV. We're diving deep into the future with the hottest tech expected to drop in 2025. We're not just talking concepts here, but actual products you can expect to see on shelves, from Apple to Samsung, Sony, and more. We'll break down the specs, the features, and most importantly, where you can snag these bad boys once they hit the market. Think Apple stores, Best Buy, Tesla showrooms, the usual suspects, and maybe a few surprises along the way. Let's get right into it. First up, we're talking Apple Vision Pro. This isn't just another headset, it's Apple's take on mixed reality, seamlessly blending the digital and real world. Imagine high-res displays, so sharp it feels like you're looking right through them. We're talking advanced eye tracking, potentially even controlling the interface with just your gaze. Expect to see the Vision Pro hit Apple stores and authorized retailers in early 2025. And you know Apple, they're gonna make it an event. Next up, we're flipping out over the Samsung Galaxy Fold 4. Samsung's really been pushing the foldable phone game, and the Fold 4 looks to be their most refined yet. Think even more durable hinges, because who hasn't worried about that with foldables, right? But it's not just about durability. Picture this, video calling on one side, browsing the web on the other, all while sketching out ideas with the S Pen. The Galaxy Fold 4 is expected to drop mid-2025, hitting Samsung Experience stores and your usual electronics giants like Best Buy. All right, let's switch gears from the digital world to something a little more rugged. The Tesla Cyberquad. Yeah, you heard that right. Tesla's making an ATV. But this isn't your grandpa's quad. This thing is pure Tesla. We're talking sleek, futuristic design, all electric of course, and enough power to tackle some serious terrain. Look for the Cyberquad to drop late 2025, available through Tesla's online store and select showrooms. Knowing Tesla, it's going to be one hot commodity. All right, gamers, this one's for you. The Sony PlayStation 6. It's been a while since the PS5 dropped, but if the rumors are true, the PS6 is going to blow us away. Think ray tracing so realistic you'll forget you're in a game. Get ready to camp out, because the PlayStation 6 is expected to drop during the 2025 holiday season, hitting Sony stores, GameStop, and all the usual suspects. Load times? What load times? The PS6 is rumored to have SSDs so fast, you'll blink and miss the loading screen. Let's talk smart home tech. The Amazon Echo 5th Gen is their most impressive yet. Richer sound quality with crisp highs and deep bass. Advanced voice recognition picks up commands across the room. Available by spring 2025. Speaking of smart homes, Google's not sitting this one out. The Nest Hub Max 2 is back and bigger than ever. We're talking a larger screen for all your smart home controls, video calls with grandma, and catching up on your favorite shows. And speaking of video calls, the Nest Hub Max 2 is rumored to have a much improved camera, making those virtual hangouts feel even more real. Look for the Nest Hub Max 2 to drop in summer 2025, available on the Google Store and at major electronics retailers. All right, drone enthusiasts, this one's for you. The DJI Phantom 5. DJI's been the name in drones for years, and the Phantom 5 is shaping up to be their most ambitious yet. We're talking camera capabilities that'll make your jaw drop, improved stabilization, so even in windy conditions, your footage is buttery smooth. The DJI Phantom 5 is expected to launch in early 2025, available on DJI's online store and authorized retailers. Get ready to up your drone game. Now, for all you productivity gurus out there, the Microsoft Surface Pro 9 is looking mighty fine. Microsoft's been killing it in the two-in-one market, and the Surface Pro 9 is no exception. Think even more processing power, handling demanding tasks like a champ. The Surface Pro 9 is rumored to have all-day battery life, so you can work from anywhere without interruption. Expect to see the Surface Pro 9 hit shelves in fall 2025, available at the Microsoft Store and major electronics retailers. And of course, Microsoft's known for their sleek design, so you know the Surface Pro 9 is going to look good doing it. All right, fitness junkies, listen up. The Fitbit Charge 6 is here to take your workouts to the next level. Fitbit's always been at the forefront of fitness tracking, And the Charge 6 is packed with new health metrics to give you even deeper insights into your body. We're talking sleep tracking, heart rate monitoring, even blood oxygen levels. The Fitbit Charge 6 is expected to drop mid-2025, available on Fitbit.com and at your favorite retail stores. Let's dive back into the world of VR with the Oculus Quest 4. Meta's been pushing the boundaries of virtual reality, and the Quest 4 is rumored to be a game changer. We're talking higher resolution displays, making those virtual worlds even more immersive. The Quest 4 is said to have lightning-fast motion tracking, so you'll feel like you're really there. The Oculus Quest 4 is expected to launch in late 2025, available on the Oculus online store and select electronics retailers. And of course, no VR headset is complete without a killer content library, and Meta's got that covered. Sometimes you just need to block out the world and lose yourself in your music. And for that, there's the Bose QuietComfort 55. Bose has been synonymous with noise cancellation for years, and the QC55 is rumored to take it to a whole new level. We're talking about noise cancellation so powerful you'll forget you're even wearing headphones. The Bose QuietComfort 55 is expected to drop in spring 2025, available at Bose stores and authorized retailers. Rich, balanced audio that'll make your favorite tracks come alive. For all you photography buffs out there, the Canon EOS R2 is shaping up to be a dream camera. Canon's been a leader in the photography world for decades, and the EOS R2 looks to continue that legacy. We're talking about a mirrorless camera with improved autofocus, so you never miss a shot. The Canon EOS R2 is expected to launch in summer 2025, available on Canon's online store and at camera specialty shops. And for those low-light shots, the EOS R2 is rumored to have even better performance, so you can capture those magical moments no matter the lighting. Let's talk smart home comfort for a minute. The Nest Thermostat has been a game changer, and the 4th generation is looking to be even more intelligent. We're talking enhanced energy-saving features, helping you save money on your energy bills while staying comfortable. The Nest Thermostat 4th Gen is expected to launch in fall 2025, available on the Google Store and at home improvement retailers. And of course, it wouldn't be a Nest product without a sleek, minimalist design that blends seamlessly into any home. Let's face it, nobody loves vacuuming. But with the Roomba i10, you might actually start to enjoy it. iRobot's been at the forefront of robotic vacuums, and the i10 is their most advanced yet. We're talking about better navigation, effortlessly maneuvering around furniture and obstacles. The Roomba I10 is expected to launch in early 2025, available on the iRobot online store and at major retail chains. And get this, the i10 is said to have self-emptying capabilities, so you can literally set it and forget it. Let's talk wearable tech, specifically the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. Samsung's Galaxy Watch 6 is their most impressive yet. Improved health tracking keeps tabs on your fitness and well-being. Rumored longer battery life keeps you connected all day. And of course, the design is sleek and stylish. For those who demand the absolute best in noise cancellation, the Sony WH1000XM5 is here to reclaim the throne. Sony's been at the forefront of noise-canceling technology, and the XM5 is rumored to be their most advanced yet. We're talking about noise cancellation so good you'll forget the outside world even exists. The Sony WH1000XM5 is expected to launch in spring 2025, available at Sony stores and authorized retailers. Rich, detailed audio that'll make your music come alive, and comfort? The XM5 is designed for all-day listening, so you can enjoy your favorite tunes in complete comfort. For all you adrenaline junkies, the GoPro Hero 12 is here to document your every move. GoPro's been the go-to action camera for years, and the Hero 12 is their most capable yet. Higher resolution video, capturing epic moments in stunning detail. Even better stabilization for buttery smooth videos, no matter the ride. Launching late 2025, available online and at major retailers. Improved battery performance for all-day adventures. So there you have it, guys. A glimpse into the tech landscape of 2025. From mixed reality to foldable phones, electric ATVs to next-gen gaming consoles, The future is looking pretty exciting. Technology is constantly evolving, and who knows what incredible innovations await us in the years to come. One thing's for sure, it's going to be an interesting ride. Make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the latest tech news and reviews. Peace out.